Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about sex determination. Sex determination. This is very easy, important topic, sex determination. So determination of sex, identification of sex of an organism, determination of sex of an organism by chromosomal moment is called sex determination. Determination of sex, determination of sex by chromosomal movement is called a sex determination. The first time Hen King scientist observed the sex determination. Hen King discovered the basis for sex determination. Were conducting experiments on insects. Hen King conducted experiment on insects in 1891. Hen King. How sir he had been conducted experiments on insects? He observed that. Hen King observed nuclear structure or chromosomal structure, or genetic structure during spermatogenesis time. So Hen King observed a nuclear structure in sperms during spermatogenesis time. And find that after spermatogenesis 50% of sperms having nuclear structure. 50% of sperms not having nuclear structure. Only after spermatogenesis 50% sperms only having nuclear structure, while remaining 50% sperms not having received the nuclear structure. That find by Hen King. Hen King observed that nuclear structure here was given the name. The nuclear structure, he given the name X body. Very, very important. Who given the name X body for nuclear structure? Hen King. Who given the name? Hen King. But he didn't explain the significance. Significance of X body. He was given the name for X body, but he didn't explain the significance of X body. Very, very important. Later, some other scientist observed that X body is nothing but chromosome. So it is a X chromosome. X chromosome involved in X chromosome. Some other scientists later find that X chromosome involved in sex determination. That's why X chromosome is a sex chromosome. So from this concept, the chromosomes are which are involved in sex determination. Those are called allosomes. While remain are called autosomes. I repeat this. So sex determination means determination of sex of an organism by chromosomal movement is called sex determination. Hen King discovered the basis for sex determination by carried the experiments on insects in 1891. During spermatogenesis time, in sperms, he observed the nuclear structure. After spermatogenesis, he find that 50% sperms receive the nuclear structure, 50% sperms are not receive the nuclear structure. Only 50%. So he given the name that 50% nuclear structure X body, but he didn't explain the importance or significance of X body. Later, some other scientists, X chromosome is involved in. X body is nothing but chromosome. As it is a chromosome, so X chromosome. Next, some scientists X chromosome involved in sexual determination. So they can. X chromosome is a sex chromosome. From this concept, the chromosomes which are involved in sexual determination is called allosomes, while remaining are called autosomes. Allosomes and autosomes. Very important concept. Then I'll sometimes a matching question. Mendel conducted experiments on pea plants. Mendel pea plants. Law of inheritance concept. T.H. Morgan conducted experiments on Drosophila melanogaster and giving the variation experiment, linkage recombination. T.H. Morgan. Henke discovered the experiments. Henke conducted the experiments on insects for basis for sexual determination. Law of inheritance, Mendel, pea plants. T.H. Morgan, variation, Drosophila melanogaster. Henke, insects, sexual determination. Very important. Chromosomal theory of inheritance, Seton and Boveri. So this is a matching type of questions. Okay, next types of sexual determination. How many types of sexual determinations are? There are two types of sexual determination there now. Two types of sexual determination. So, Corin's scientist, Corin's observed two types of determination, two types of sexual determination. One is a male heterogamity. Male heterogamity. Second one is female heterogamity. Male heterogamity, female heterogamity. Male heterogamity. What is the meaning of male heterogamity? Male. Corin's observed that two types of sexual determination based on heterogamity. Heterogamesis or heterogamity. Hetero means two different types. Say two types, male heterogamity, female heterogamity. Male heterogamity means male organism producing two different type of gametes. Male organism producing two different type of gametes, then said to be male heterogamity. Female organism producing only one type of gametes, that is a female homogamity. Male heterogamity is equal to female homogamity. Male producing two different, female producing only one type. इसका example XX H0 type, XX H0 type determination. इसमें second one XX XY type. ये XX X0 type. देखो यार XX X0. X0 is a male, XX is a female. X0 X2 no chromosomal gamete, zero chromosomal gamete. Two different type of gametes. Male producing two different type of gametes. That is a male heterogamity. XX X0 is seen in grasshopper and cockroach. Matching questions also important. Grasshopper and a cockroach. XXXY type of determination. XXXY type of determination. XO female, XY is a male. So male is producing two different type of gametes. That is a male heterogamity. So can you give the example for male heterogamity? XXX0, XXXY. XXXY seen in XXXY seen in Drosophila melanogaster. And humans also. These are show the male heterogamity. Female heterogamity means female organism producing two different type of gametes. Male producing only one type of gametes. That's said to be female heterogamity. So female heterogamity, female organism producing two different type of gametes. इसका example Z0 type determination. ZZ is a male, Z0 is a female. So female is a two different type of Z and a 0, no chromosomal gamete. Yeah, Z0. In this type of determination, we'll see in ZZ and Z0. This is a butterfly and a fumia moth. Then second ZZW type determination. So ZZ is a male, ZW is a female. So female produces two different type of gametes. We'll explain in detail in coming classes. This type of determination found in birds, snakes, some reptiles also. These are A brief idea of types of determination. How questions? Can you briefly mention about male heterogamity? Example. Female heterogamity example. 2-mark question or 1-mark question. Or XX0 type of determination formed in which of the following organism? A. Grasshopper, B. Drosophila, C. Butterfly, D. Bird. Grasshopper answer. A. ZZZW found in which of the following? A. Bird soup, B. Butterfly, C. Drosophila, D. Cockroach. Birds. Such type of question. Matching XXX0, this is common. XXXY human. ZZZ0 is a butterfly. ZZZW is a birds and snakes. Birds and snakes. This is nothing but types of sexual determination. First, one by one, we'll see male heterogamity. Male heterogamity. Male heterogamity. Male heterogamity. See, very easy. Male heterogamity. Male organism producing two different type of gametes. Male organism producing two different type of gametes, then said to be male heterogamity. Indirectly, it is a female homogamity. Male heterogamity seems to be female homogamity. इसका example just now I said XX, X0, XX, XY type of determination. XX, X0, XY. These two are male heterogamity. Now one by one take first XX, X0 type of determination. XX, X0 type of XX, X0 type of determination. So XX, X0 type of determination. This type of determination XX, X0 found in grasshopper and cockroach. Grasshopper and cockroach. Grasshopper and cockroach. XX, X0 found in grasshopper and cockroach. Sometimes question, briefly describe about XX, X0 type of determination. Give the example. XX, X0 type of determination belongs to male heterogamity. Example, grasshopper and cockroach. Schematic important. Write the schematic for schematic representation XX, X0. So XX, X0 parents. Parents. What type of parents? Male, female, male or female. Male parents. What type of? AA means autosomes. AA plus X0. Female AA plus XX. AA plus XX. XX. So gametes here, gametes. We know very well gametes are produced by meiosis division. So here two types there na male producing two different types. So gametes are A plus X, one gamete, A plus 0, one more gamete. Here only homozygous now only one type of gamete, A plus X. Next offsprings. A X chromosomal gamete, X chromosomal sperm fused with X chromosomal ova. Then comes AA plus XX. AA plus XX means female. No chromosomal gamete, no chromosomal sperm fused with X chromosomal ova, then form AA plus X0. Means male. So from this, when observing grasshopper or cockroaches, sexual determination how it is, the male organism producing two different type of gametes, X and no chromosomal gamete. So no X and no chromosomal gamete, that seems to be two different type of gamete, that is a male heterogamity. So X male having X chromosomal sperm and no chromosomal sperm, two are there. But in female, only one type of chromosomes. Only one type of chromosome. They are producing only one type of ova or egg. That is X chromosomal ova or egg. Then you see here, while taking this one, the gametes. Here, in male organism, two types of gametes. Female organism, only one type of gametes. Then, X chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova. X chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova fused to form AA plus XX. Means female. Then no chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova, no chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova fused to form AA plus X0. AA means autosomes. That is means a male. So here sex of an offspring determined by these pens. Sex of an offspring XX, X0 type determined by these pens. Sex of an offspring determined by the male heterogamete. Sex of an offspring determined by the male organism. Male organism. Here, sex of an offspring determined by the sperm cell. Sex of an offspring determined by the male heterogamete. Sex of an offspring determined by the male organism. In XX genotype. In grasshopper and cockroach. Sometime question. In grasshopper, sex determined by sperm cell. In grasshopper, sex determined by male heterogamete. Grasshopper, sex determined by XX genotype. Such type of question. In cockroach also. This is nothing but XX type of determination. XX type of determination. Next, male heterogamete second type, XXXY type. XXXY type. XXXY type of determination. XXXY type of determination found in Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster and human beings. Some questions. In Drosophila melanogaster, what type of determination? XXXY. Humans, what type of determination? XXXY. Important one. So then, important XXXY briefly. When humans, that I am going to give the separate, but combined XXXY type of, this is also nothing but male heterogamete. So XXY, XX is a female, XY is a male. Here, in female organism, only one type of chromosomes are there. That is X chromosomes. X chromosome. Only one type of X chromosomes. Then they are producing only one type of ova or egg. That is X chromosomal ova or X chromosomal egg. But in males, two types of chromosomes are there. X and Y. X and Y. So X and Y, two different type of chromosomes. That is said to be a male heterogamete. So females are XX. Females are producing only one type XX. That is a female homogamete, male heterogamete. Male producing two different type of gametes. One is X chromosomal gamete and Y chromosomal gamete. X chromosomal sperm or Y chromosomal sperm. The female organism producing X chromosomal only one type, ova or egg. Then combination offsprings rana dekho, when X chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova or egg fused to form AA autosomes plus XX means a female, means female. When Y chromosomal sperm and X chromosomal ova or egg fused to form XY, AA plus XY means a male. So here sex of an offspring. Sex of an offspring determined by the sperm cell. Very, very important. Sex of an offspring determined by the sperm cell. Sex of an offspring determined by the male heterogamete. Sex of an offspring determined by the XXXY type. Sex of an offspring determined by male organism. Sex of an offspring determined by in humans, sperm cell. Sex of an offspring determined in Drosophila, sperm cell. Sex of an offspring determined in XXXY type, sperm cell only. Male organism only. Which type? Male heterogamete. I mean, male producing two different type of gametes. Male is a two different male heterogamete. Female is only one female homogamete. This is nothing but male heterogamete. Male heterogamete example XXX0 and XXXY. Next we are going to explain female heterogamete in the next.